looks happy, huh? That's a happy guy. Just a happy guy. It's just a happy guy. Alright guys, it's getting dark out super friggin' early here, and probably because of the clouds and my tinted visor, but anyway, it's 5:41 p.m. and we're going downtown to have a look at all the antique and muscle cars and exotics and whatever else is down here. Well, it's called Hot August Nights. There's my car, the Camaro. Fargo. Damn, that car smells good. That smell car is good. Oh my god, I can't even talk.
No.